Welcome to today's video, where we'll be delving into the transformative power of connection and how it serves as the key to unlocking empowerment in our lives. In this digital age, the strength of our connections has become more crucial than ever. So let's explore the power of connection, unleashing empowerment through unity. Section 1. Building strong foundations. At the core of human nature lies the innate desire for connection. We are social beings, and our interactions shape the narrative of our lives. Establishing profound connections not only fulfills this fundamental need, but also lays the groundwork for personal empowerment. In a world driven by collaboration, the strength of our bonds determines our capacity to overcome challenges. Building strong foundations is the essence of connection. Section 2. Nurturing authentic relationships. In our quest for connection, authenticity reigns supreme. Genuine relationships form the bedrock of a fulfilling life. As we engage with others authentically, we create a network of support that transcends the superficial. Authentic connections foster an environment where individuals can express their true selves, unlocking a reservoir of creativity and resilience. Section 3. Unity in diversity. Diversity is not just a buzzword, it is the backbone of a thriving community. Embracing differences and uniting under a common purpose unleashes a potent force for empowerment. In a landscape where collaboration knows no boundaries, diverse perspectives become the building blocks of innovation and progress. Section 4. Breaking down silos. In both personal and professional spheres, the silos that once hindered progress are now being dismantled by the power of connection. Breaking down silos enables the cross-pollination of ideas, fostering an environment where innovation flourishes. When individuals from diverse backgrounds come together, their collective strength becomes a force to be reckoned with. Section 5. Leveraging connection for personal empowerment. Beyond the societal impact, the power of connection has a profound influence on personal development. As individuals, we can harness the strength of our connections to propel ourselves towards empowerment. Section 6. Mentorship and guidance. In the journey of self-empowerment, the guidance of mentors can be a beacon of light. Mentorship provides a roadmap based on experience, offering insights and wisdom that can significantly accelerate personal growth. By connecting with mentors who have walked the path before, individuals can navigate challenges with greater confidence. Section 7. Collaborative learning. In the interconnected landscape of today, learning is a collaborative endeavor. Through the exchange of ideas and knowledge, individuals can stay at the forefront of their respective fields. Online platforms, forums, and communities provide avenues for continuous learning, ensuring that empowerment is an ongoing and evolving process. Section 8. The digital thread. Connection in the virtual realm. As our lives become increasingly intertwined with technology, the digital realm serves as a powerful conduit for connection. Virtual spaces offer unprecedented opportunities to connect with like-minded individuals, fostering communities that transcend geographical boundaries. Online networks, forums, and social media platforms create a global tapestry of interconnected minds. Leveraging these digital channels opens doors to opportunities and perspectives that were once out of reach. In conclusion, the power of connection is not just a concept. It is a tangible force that can propel individuals and communities towards empowerment. By nurturing authentic relationships, embracing diversity, and leveraging the digital thread, we pave the way for a future where unity is the driving force behind success. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Remember, the power of connection is within reach, and it has the potential to shape a brighter, more empowered future for us all.